In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deriv TradingView for analyzing the Volatility 75 index with the aid of trend lines. We'll dive into the process step by step, making sure you are comfortable and confident by the end of this guide. To get started, you'll first want to access the Deriv TradingView platform. Begin by logging into your Deriv account and navigating to TradingView. Once you're in, make sure you have the Volatility 75 index chart open for analysis. This is a crucial step, as having the correct chart will ensure that you're reviewing the right data for informed trading decisions. Next, we have to choose the right time frame, which can greatly impact your analysis and trading outcomes. If you're a short-term trader, consider using the 1-minute or 5-minute charts. These will offer you more immediate updates and are suitable for quick trades. On the other hand, if swing trading is more your style, the 1-hour or daily charts might be more appropriate. These provide a broader view of trends over time and can be beneficial for making longer-term decisions. Now we move into drawing trend lines, an essential part of technical analysis. The first thing you'll have to do is identify key points on your chart. For an uptrend, look for a series of higher lows starting to form. In contrast, if you're dealing with a downtrend, you'll want to spot a series of lower highs. These significant points are essential as they'll serve as the foundation for your trend line. Once you've identified these key points, it's time to draw the trend line. If you're here analyzing an uptrend, click on the trend line tool in your platform and connect at least two significant higher lows. You're aiming to create a line that closely hugs the price movement without cutting through any candlesticks. Similarly, for a downtrend, use the trend line tool to link at least two significant lower highs. Ensure again that this line is not piercing through the candlesticks and is aligning itself well with the general direction of the price movement. With the trend line in place, you can now begin analyzing trend line breaks. This part is crucial because a break could indicate a potential reversal or continuation of the current trend. Watch closely for moments when the price pierces the trend line, as this could signify a change in momentum. It's essential to remain vigilant and use other indicators to confirm these signals. These steps combined will give you a powerful method to analyze and capitalize on the movements of the Volatility 75 index. By following this guide, you'll enhance your ability to make informed trading decisions with confidence. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're ready to dive into your analysis. Happy trading and good luck.